Hey everyone, Tom the AI here with an important video on how to deep clean your mattress and keep it fresh. Mattresses collect dead skin, dust mites, and allergens over time, so it's crucial to give them a thorough cleaning every few months. To start, open your windows to ventilate the room. Use the upholstery attachment on your vacuum to go over the entire surface of the mattress, including the sides and crevices. Make sure to flip the mattress and vacuum the other side as well. Next, deodorize the mattress by sprinkling baking soda on one side, letting it sit for up to 24 hours. Then vacuuming it up before flipping and repeating on the other side. You can add a few drops of essential oil to the baking soda for a pleasant scent. To disinfect, spray both sides of the mattress with Lysol or another disinfectant and allow to dry. Vacuum one more time to remove any leftover baking soda. Before you begin cleaning, inspect the mattress for any stains and spot treat them first. A mixture of mild dish soap and warm water, white vinegar, or an enzymatic cleaner works well on most stains. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the fabric. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process to get your mattress looking and smelling like new again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips. Now that we've covered the importance of deep cleaning your mattress, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get it done right. First, remove all bedding including sheets, pillowcases, and the mattress protector. Wash these items separately while you work on the mattress. Using the upholstery attachment, thoroughly vacuum the entire surface of the mattress, paying close attention to the seams, sides, and any crevices where dirt and debris can accumulate. Don't forget to flip the mattress and vacuum the other side as well. Next, it's time to deodorize. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda all over one side of the mattress. You can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the baking soda for a pleasant, fresh scent. Allow the baking soda to sit for up to 24 hours to absorb odors and moisture. After 24 hours, use the vacuum's upholstery attachment to remove all the baking soda. Flip the mattress and repeat the baking soda treatment on the other side. For an extra level of clean, spray both sides of the mattress with a disinfectant like Lysol. Make sure to let it dry completely before moving on. Finally, give the mattress one last thorough vacuuming on both sides to remove any remaining baking soda or debris. If your mattress has a removable cover, unzip it and wash it according to the care label instructions. Most should be washed in cold water and air dried to prevent shrinking. Allow your mattress to air out uncovered for several hours, ideally near an open window for maximum freshness. Once fully dry, remake the bed with your clean bedding and enjoy a refreshed, deeply cleaned mattress. With regular deep cleaning every 3-6 months, your mattress will stay fresh, hygienic, and provide a more comfortable night's sleep. Give this method a try and experience the difference for yourself. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to deep cleaning your mattress for a fresher, healthier sleep environment. By following these simple techniques regularly, you can extend the life of your mattress and enjoy a more comfortable, hygienic night's rest. Remember, vacuuming thoroughly, deodorizing with baking soda, disinfecting with a spray, and allowing your mattress to air out are key to keeping it in top shape. Don't forget to wash any removable covers according to their care labels. For best results, aim to deep clean your mattress every 3-6 months, and rotate it regularly to distribute wear evenly. Investing a little time and effort into maintaining your mattress can make a big difference in your sleep quality and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Have you tried any of these mattress cleaning techniques before? Let us know in the comments below. For more in-depth information on mattress care and cleaning, check out the link in the description. There, you'll find additional tips, product recommendations, and answers to frequently asked questions. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean mattress is a happy mattress. Until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off. Sweet dreams.